Alright, I want to show you this Autel MaxiCharger AC Lite. It's an EV car charger. It's specifically for Teslas. This Autel company is a great brand. I want to thank them for sending this to me so I can do an unboxing. I'll do install details for you and show you what it looks like and basically how it works. But this is a dark gray, as you can see. Pretty good looking. It's in this box, packed up, nice, ready to go. I think it's got about a 25-foot cord on it. And then, like I said, this is specifically the Tesla end. And so you can use this charger to charge pretty much any car. You just need an adapter. But specifically, if you have a Tesla, this one is ready to go with no conversions, no fuss. And then inside this box. Alright, so as I open this up and look at it a little bit more, here is another watertight cord connector. If you wanted to put an additional cord on this, you could put that right here and have it watertight to have another cord come in and out of it. But as it is, I think I'm going to hardwire it. And then when I hardwire it, I'll come in from behind. But here we've got two plastic inserts that go in your sheetrock and two nice big screws that will hold that in place. But for the install process, you basically hang this on your wall, and then the charger itself just clips to that and hangs on that. So it's really a pretty basic, pretty slick install. So that's the charger. That's what it looks like. All right, now to get prepared for the install, I've got to take this cover off, which is two little screws at the bottom, and then apparently it slides down. Oh, no, it doesn't even slide down. It comes off. These are clips, but I wanted to be gentle with it. Okay, got that going. Now I need to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these screws off to get into here, I think. 11 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, the outer screws. Well, that's what it says. So. Alright, well that worked easy. Okay, and then I just take this plug off, it looks like. Okay, I've got that cover off. Now I'm going to go take this out, mount this on the wall, and wire up hot, and ground. Alright, now I'm ready to install this charger on the wall. You can see I have wires coming out here. Black and red are hot. Neutral I'm not using. And ground I'll be using, but it basically just comes from a breaker switch. This one right above is my panel, so I had my electrician just run. I'm not an electrician, so I can't give you any advice, but when I was watching him, he put black on one leg, red on one leg, and ground on the ground bar inside this panel behind this breaker. And then we just simply run the wires down the wall, and I'm going to put them through the back of the charger box and connect them. Yeah, so another thing that's super convenient here is I've got these garage hooks, and that's where I'm going to hang the cable. I'd already installed that, and I got this backing plate, and I screwed it into a stud right there. So now when I put this charger up on there, I just click it into those two slide down pieces, and there's a nut that holds it in on the bottom, and I'll run the wires through this hole. Alright, so I've got that installed, red, black ground, line right up. There's another screw underneath the plate right here that I put in to hold this thing kind of solid, and then when I put this back on, it goes in the case just like that. Alright, now I've got that installed like that. I've got it secured on there. I put these 11 screws back in, and now the cover just clips back on, kind of snaps a little bit, and then there's 2 more screws that go in the bottom right here. Alright, now I'm going to show you a few more things. I turn the power on. It goes through a power on start cycle. Blinks green, blue, yellow, red, and then it goes green. Now it's ready to charge. Another cool thing to point out is, here's the Tesla adapter. Tesla cord will just sit right in there and stay with it. So that's kind of cool. Next thing your instructions say is scan this QR code, download the Autel Charge app. And when you get the Autel Charge app, you get it on your phone and you install it, and it takes you through the steps to scan the serial number of your device, and you put your name and address and location and things like that in it. And then when you're in the app, there's lots of different things you can do. Alright, so I've got my charger added. I went into charger settings, I set the price. I can set auto start if I want. You can see back here I'm connected on Bluetooth, and the thing itself is connected to the internet. I just connected it to the internet. I changed my max current to 40 amps coming out of this because I'm on a 50 amp breaker. And so now it says connect the EV and start charging.